Let's knock this out. This is gold's weekly chart. Gold. This is all-time highs on gold. And we had a down week. Took out previous week high and dropped. So now gold is playing inside this box basically. For gold to go next move, it would need to take out all-time highs and get a body closure to start going higher. Right now, it's just accumulating. It's been accumulating since April at the same range. Like a daily, same range. Here's a high. Because it took out this high back on Wednesday, dropped all the way down. Only thing you got left on this 4 hour is it's a gap down here. Like looking at this 4 hour range, probably looking at prices start coming back up, at least hit this bearish gap. If we don't come up here and we start selling off, that means we're excessively bullish because at least this should give you 50%. See, it didn't give you nothing here. It just dropped. Little retrace and drop. If it's gonna keep, if it's gonna, if it's attacking more sell side liquidity, it's not gonna give it to you. But you should know if it give you a 50% a discount, that's good. But right now it looks bearish on this 4 hour. This is what happens when you hit all-time highs. And now the market needs to generate liquidity on both sides of the market before the next move. And if you hit an all-time high, the liquidity is below. So you got to generate sell side liquidity. So it could it could come out here, or that might have been enough when it dropped last week. Are you a Jordan?
What's up, champ?
Hey, you agree?
100%.
Hey, see, this is the issue you had like when you had all-time highs, man, and then like you know it wants to go higher, but it's starting to do this. This thing been doing this since April.
Mm-hmm.
And looking at like the liquidity, they hit all-time high, came back internal, accumulated, dropped back down, more internal, went back more.
Mm-hmm.
That's the hard part about when you trade all-time high. Sometimes you get them kind of moves Because even looking at that buy up last week, Monday and Tuesday, get all the way up here, and then it accumulate, drop all the way down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gonna show you this week.
Right. That's a hell of a weekly. All in the range. 3.5 months. Mm. Let's see how silver look. SI. See, silver broke out. Silver broke out. It had it weeks. What? Yeah. Now silver at this weekly gap. Hell of a weekly candle. A daily candle. That daily look like it want to come down to that weekly gap. It blew right through that daily gap. Like it wasn't even there. Or I'll get you a discount. Now this is the low. This is the high. We'd like to see it go come back down to the weekly gap and bounce. But it can bounce right in this 4 hour gap. Accumulate it, expand it, retrace, expand it. That thing accumulated for June June 5th all the way to July 10th. Over a month. Then they expand it, all time high, retrace, all time high again, higher. It's the end of the month. We're gonna have a monthly gap. Yeah. Silver is bullish. Yeah.
Got a question.
What up, play?
If they raise interest, Feds talk about they raise interest rate, that probably gonna drop gold, probably, huh?
And
Because they probably run back into equities, sell off some of that.
what's the question again? E?
I say if Fed come out, Powell come out talking about they gonna drop rates, interest rates, that'll probably drop gold, but raise equities. I was just asking
I'm gonna ask my assistant.
because usually there's a risk off, they're going to gold, risk on, they go out of gold. They've been running both of them at the same time. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually, see what your sister say.
yeah. I asked. I said, what effect does dropping interest rates have on commodities? Dropping interest rates generally has significant effects on commodities, influence their prices, supply, demand, and investment dynamics. Below is an analysis of these effects grounded in economic principles and observed market trends. Mhm. Oh, I said precious metals, gold and silver thrive in low rate environments due to their role as safe haven assets and inflation hedges. Negative real interest rates. When inflation exceeds nominal rates, are particularly bullish. Energy demand rises with economic growth, but oversupply can temper prices. Let me see. It says good for the. I need
Oh,
to get.
okay,
It says thrive in low rate environments due to their role as a safe haven asset. Okay,
okay.
let's run that thing.
Gold 4,000.
Oh, 4,000 ounce.
Nah, it'd probably be like 36, 3,700. I did see that number. Uh, 36 something.
Run that thing. Silver, silver back in 24 last year was half shit down there half. That's a big ass jump in a year. Uh,
Well, I'd rather have Jesus.
say it again.
I said I'd rather have Jesus than silver or gold.
You ain't no good, man. Ain't no good, man. Your favorite?
Oh, about to make a monthly gap. Oh,
No, that's crude oil.
I know, but you see,
Yeah.
that's interesting. If they make a gap right there, but it already ran that. No, it ain't run that high. It
Nope.
ain't run that high. No,
Nope.
the one, yeah, the next one up, yeah,
Nope.
that's interesting.
Nice BPR, monthly BPR.
Yeah, that's interesting. Close it. Why close, Lord?
Mm-hmm.
For the month. How many days we got left for the month?
Uh, the month will
When,
be over.
when the first? Thursday or something? Or Friday?
Yeah. Oh, Friday, the first of the month.
Okay. That's right. No, mm. Action packed week, boy.
Hmm. This kind of right here is wild, man. Give you all this and take it all. See, and we've been sitting in that same range for the last 4 weeks. We haven't even came 50% of that candle.
When you see that, uh, could you see that as a shift? Retrace? Mark Struss shifts? Retrace?
It took us 4 weeks and we ain't made it 50% of the candle.
Cookie.
It's man, it's tearing somebody's mouth out. Look at the daily. We can't even get back 50% yet.
Mm.
See, I personally don't like it when stuff like that, man. You get that huge candle and then it's just sitting there like that. Mm.
You ain't trading.
Nope. Mm-mm. If I was, I'd be pissed off, man, because the ranges are so. Mm-mm-mm. I look on a 4 hour. Accumulate, expand, retrace.
Man, it's holding, but dang,
Right,
it's ugly.
right. Let's see if this one natural gas looking like something.
Out your ass.
Why? Why me? How that look on a monthly?
Look like new low. That's what it look like to me.
Huh?
I said it look like new low. If he gonna turn around, he got to turn around this week or this month, or
Right.
next month. But I don't see how that closed. But that looked like it want low. Sweep them low one more time. Because that gap was there, but that wick went into that gap. So when it came back down, it just went right through that.
Right, man. Like sliced bread.
And it's damn near 75% through the order block. So,
Right. Like the first time it touched the top of the block, next time it went.
yeah, see? It looked like one of it looked like it want that gap down there.
That's a yearly.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It looked like you want to go down there.
We get any closures? Ooh, that's 50 on the dot. 2 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago.
It looked like you want to hit that lower gap or lower low. I mean, then you'll see. But everything
Everybody, oof,
ain't nothing bullet about that.
ain't nothing bullshit about it.
Mm-mm. Just definitely gonna see that gap. Look how hard it's push it, reject. And just push it down, straight down.
This a yearly candle.
I know.
Not no not
I
no
know.
month. It hit the BPR, shot up, took these highs. The liquidity right here.
That's what I'm saying.
That's the liquidity right there.
You gotta hit that. You ain't gonna just turn around and mid out. Cause that previous month, year candle hit that gap already. So that's why it's just sliding right through there. Ain't nothing in there to stop. Hmm. What that tell you? See,
Gas,
2026.
gas still high.
2026. Let's go on to the big three. Let's go to the YM. They be acting like the YN.
Right. How about YNs? Not Monthly BPI.
Didn't take the swing yet.
Nope. Mm.
We going down there for we'll go down there during September, October.
Got your closure. Woo. Come on, YN. Take it out, man. All time highs, man.
You gonna get a shift. That's what you gonna get. You gonna get a shift
And retrace.
and then retrace down the hill. Yeah,
And all to the races.
probably. But you got September, October coming right around the corner. So let's say August. Go ahead, take the top off. Then you get a shift come September, October for a retrace.
YM bullish as hell.
I wouldn't be surprised if we hit all-time high this week on YM.
Then what? Everybody gonna start shorting? Because you know everybody just waiting to catch that short. They gonna squeeze the hell out of people, man.
Yep.
Trying to kind of call the top.
Yeah, go to your daily.
I got you. Weekly is bullish.
Like I'm expecting a big move this week in YM. Squeeze that. Squeeze it. I want to see the other side.
Friday had an inside day.
That's what I'm saying. If we get another big day.
How did YM pan out Friday? Friday we ran the low. Did we shift? Let me take this off the screen.
Yeah, because it was a gap though.
Yeah. Friday we took the low at 10 o'clock.
Same time. Yeah, everybody else.
Ooh, that look good.
See, so like, look, check it. So this picture right here that we're looking at right now, that's same. It's almost the same setup as on that. Like, take this part right here and look at the monthly. It's the same concept. We just right here. So we go up and close above. That's the shift. Then you should retrace back to that monthly gap or weekly gap we was looking at, and then go back up. That's how I see that happening.
Let me see something. So it confirmed at 10:45.
He gave it to you. It's in there.
Confirmed at 10:45. Woo. 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 That's beautiful.
Let me see.
Oh.
What a macro at? Okay, yeah.
1150 right here.
Boy, it tried you though, boy.
That's a macro right
Took
there.
it to the brink.
That's a macro right there.
Yeah, that's it.
Oof.
boy, with all that right now.
Let me see.
What a 0.5 was that? Or the one, well, it probably went 1.0. Well, on the 15, probably went 0.5, past 0.5, maybe 1.0.
Nigga run fast.
I'll see. Yeah, that's what we would have targeted. From there, yeah, you definitely would have targeted that 0.5. You know what I'm saying? Damn,
Damn. Man, that's a beautiful move, man.
on a Friday.
You'd have been in at 12 o'clock. You'd have been done two
Two,
thirty.
two,
Huh?
it's two,
Two.
two. They didn't get that close, but don't worry about it, Playboy. You know, look how close they got, bro. It pushed right there. Nah, man. Government work.
How many contracts on that? What's that? 12, $5, $60 a contract.
Everything,
Everything?
everything,
What's what's everything? Seven?
everything.
Seven?
7 on the 50K, 6 on the 50K, like 10 on
And 15 on
9, 9 on the 75. I don't know what it is
50.
on 150. 150, 115, 15. Just whatever you got. 3 on the 25K. Right, stop right there. Stop right before you get there.
Huh?
Stop right before. And you see how much you had to give up just to get that extra.
When
Not,
when when are you moving your stop?
uh, you gotta go at least this first.
Right. Yeah, I just said that. Yeah. Are you dropping off any?
No, I ain't dropping shit off.
Are you moving your stop?
Nope, nope, not yet. All right, now we move the stop. And I'll
Where?
probably move it right here. Probably as far as I go. Or
Hey yo,
maybe here.
hey yo, Jordan, where would you move your stop?
I ain't going no higher than him.
Right there? Jordan
Yep.
said right.
Yeah, I ain't going no higher than that.
So you gonna lock in for 4,000? Are you gonna move your stop, or it's just either TP or stop loss?
I'm moving stop up.
No, okay, you just moved it right now. Is that it?
Right. That's it.
Are you moving again?
No, that's it for now.
Is it okay? Okay.
Well, let's squeeze. Wait, let me take that back. Squeeze the chart. Let's go back to the left and see what else going on over here. Okay, so now we go here.
Okay. Okay.
Now we're above there. Okay, let me see where we at over here. I may move it again from there. Let me see. Yeah, I might move it right there. And then that's it.
So you moving it right here?
Yeah, that's it.
So you ain't moving it no more.
Nah, that's it.
Now what happens if it's tap? Yeah, you gonna get back in?
I'll be disappointed, but I'll be content. It shouldn't. It ain't got no been coming back down there.
Yeah, 10,000. Let me see. We got let me see. 90% of people on here go move that stock right there.
I mean,
No. If I hold on, my friend Lord, her stop is right here.
Yeah, right.
Oh Lord, oh no. I was my Lauren on here too. Lauren,
Don't nobody know who that is, bro. Kill it.
somebody
Who?
kill him, man.
Kill
No,
it.
I know he was talking about you. I was saying,
no,
who you doing that?
government. Hey, killer,
Going,
her stop right there. Her stop right there. That bitch ain't
Killer, you
moving.
got the gap. Let the gap save you. Damn.
You said, fuck that cat.
Fuck that gap.
Let the gap do its job. Kill him. Damn.
This is stacks. She's like, fuck that cat. Shit. Yeah. Killer ain't gonna let it be up no 10,000 and come back 3,000. Mm-mm.
No.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I don't think
Yeah,
Killer.
I can see it going now. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
I don't think Killer gonna move. No, because she'll say that's 4,000. Her stop is right here. I'm being 100% honest with you. Her stop is right there.
Good
She
round number, huh? Good 10.
right. Uh-huh.
Y'all can talk about me. I don't give a damn.
Damn, Killer, let the gap do its job. Killer, see?
She gonna say fuck the gap. Uh-uh.
We bullish. It's a hole.
You're right. It should keep on going. It's too many black candles right there. I'm doing too much.
See, as long as it's doing like this,
She don't care.
it's
She
all
ain't
right. It's when it do this. It don't get no retracing. Yeah, you coming back.
she ain't trying to hear that shit, man. I'm telling you, man.
So I'm talking to her. She's blue in the face.
Uh-huh. Nah, E. It ain't
I'm
got
gone. I'm gone, bro. I'm
you
gone.
know?
I'm gone, bro. I done seen you, yeah, bro. Cause hey, man, look, you be trying to get that little extra, and then they go way the hell out here.
Okay. So are you gonna move it when you stop up? Okay, lock in right here.
Also, what time is this counter? I'm
213.
gone, bro. I'm gone. You know how she do, man. Outside the macro.
Okay. We lock in that. We just leave 1,000 on the table, man.
You can
1,000.
be 1,000.
Oh, you hadn't closed?
By the time you close, take profit might be done said. We submitted your shit to
Okay,
your
so
wallet.
you did flatten it. You did flatten it.
Yep. Because it's minimal amount that you know what I'm saying? Like from that point, bro, I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean?
Let me go.
Matter of fact, I done started making my TP 2 or 3 ticks before that line anyway.
Let me go ahead and draw this up. Document this. This is a beautiful TFA. Take out previous day low. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Go ahead and screenshot this.
That's power 3.
Yeah. 15-minute CID. Paste. 1-minute entry. Hmm.
See, yep. Low at what 11:52 and a gap.
Mhm. A plus setup. Boom. Ah,
That's 8 plus TFA. See, this what make me think we getting ready to go ahead on and explode and go up for the top. See that? Like we right here. You might as well just go, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's like one gap or something like right there that can stop it. But other than that, it's going up.
And it's not even coming down to a
Right.
discount at all. That's
Exactly.
something
You
like
got the
this
gap right here. The gap right up in there.
Mhm. Let's look at grandma. Beautiful.
See, same thing. August, September, October, November,
Yeah.
December, January.
That monthly, that's a powerful monthly candle right there. Look at that weekly.
Reinforced them. Good foundation right there. Yeah. Mm. You had a pee, man. What you doing? You all right. Okay. Please hold.
I'm back. I think he said, "Where you go?" Daily gap here. $4 hour. Hey, yo, E. I think I walked away too.
What up?
See, you see how different it is to like the YM TFA compared to ES, like because the YM took something. ES ain't taking nothing. It's just going higher. It's just revving.
I can't see the chart no more for some reason. Oh,
It's just revving. It's killing people. The market. We extremely bullish. Bullish. You back?
yeah.
We extremely bullish. Would be nice for the ES to come back down to this 4 hour gap. Give a move. Yeah, the market is extremely bullish. I don't like to say this, but I would love for us to have some red days this week. grab some lower, man. Because it is extremely hard to trade TFA when it's like this. Because you would think you're getting the TFA to the downside, and that thing is it's just blowing right through it. Oh, we got Amir in the building. What up, Amir?
Yeah,
You woke?
yes, sir.
Oh man, it's Sunday, man. Surprised to see you on here. Yo,
Yes, sir.
your mama said, yeah, get on that Zoom.
No, she didn't have to tell me.
Gotta make sure. Yeah, ES is extremely bullish. I would love for some red days. Hey, yo, E, what you think? Some red days?
It depends how they want to play it because you got FOMC and you got Feds this week, so they can spike down and get all that what you talking about. Draw it right back up. You know what I mean? You might get a flash of a red day.
Hey man, it's so wild. Like every down is like it's straight. It's like it's getting bought back up. Hey, extremely fast, man.
I told you, you're trying to get somewhere. They're going to keep going up until YM goes over and takes that all-time high.
Right.
So any down move until then, to me, it's just a retrace.
So you would say the YM is better to trade than the NQ and ES.
I mean, if you need it left, if you need it left, you got it left. You can look at it over there. Like you have more confidence, you know what I mean, in knowing your target, you know, what the rest of them, you know, they're steadily climbing into, you know, uncharted terrain. So, yeah, I mean, from that perspective, yeah, I would say if you're a left of the chart type person, you need that, then yeah.
I got you. One thing that has helped me this week when we at all-time highs is SMCs. Like I was on Zoom with the teams Friday, and we saw it play out beautiful at 9:30. Because besides that, it was nothing.
Martin said he using YM as like a litmus, probably as a. He might not be trading it, but he probably watching it, using his chart, and see where
Why?
you want to go.
YM never got to all-time highs.
Right,
So
exactly.
if all the other ones at all-time, like, cause well, I don't know if you did YM. If you just look at it on a weekly, you know what I'm saying, and like it traded into a weekly gap, traded above down close candles on the weekly. So if YM pushing higher, the other two should follow out. That's my assumption.
Exactly. I agree.
What happened if YM flip and have a down week?
They're
You
gonna
just
have a retrace.
no, I mean, yeah, everything gonna have a retrace, but the target for YM ain't got that yet. It's a
Ain't got
rejection
that.
block on the four. It's a rejection block on the 4 hour. I mean, not 4 hour, but on the weekly,
Right.
like 45 something. So
It's like the last thing they can stop it. But other than that, man, it's going up there.
All I have to make one phone call, man. Tell 45, 47, tweet something. YM. I would have thought YM would have been there, especially when they had bank earnings earlier.
But they so far behind. That's what I'm
it
saying.
is. And
They way far behind. So the other two indices are like, dude, they going up. They're slowly going up, but they're they go up, but then they'll you know, while YM playing catch up, and then they'll go up some. When YM make a big move, they'll go up some more too. But they're slowing up, waiting on the YM to catch up. NQ was the first one.
Mm-hmm.
And then ES came behind it, and now they both like treading water, waiting on YM to tighten up. That's why I think this week is the week YM might take the top off.
yeah, it will.
Right, it looked like it, don't it? It looked like
Yeah,
it's
look, if
headed
you
toward that way
looking at it
like
on
the
the,
daily and all that. You know,
yeah, I was just finna say, like, boy, if you look at it on the daily, the
it's like
same
a
thing how you
strong.
look at it,
It's due
closed
for a strong
above.
candle.
Yep.
I would have thought YM would have been there when they added the video to the YM.
Well, you got well, that's what been bringing it up. But you got to remember who ain't got loose yet, because they're number 2. No, they're number 3, I think. Because I think Microsoft is number 2. Apple still treading water, so
And
they haven't broke out yet. And
I
guess who earned this week?
can't even trade Apple weekly, man. I gotta go months out with these motherfuckers, man. It's like shit. It's like they slow walking this motherfucker, man.
Because they don't want to root. They don't run the market too fast, too hard, too
Yeah.
fast.
They showing them running the video and all them like motherfucker. It's like
Yeah.
Apple
But you
go
got to
up.
offset that by slowing one of them other big dogs up.
Shit.
You can't run all of them at the same time. Man, we've shot up so high.
Yeah, man. Apple pissing me off, man. Taking all day long, man. Like, come on, Apple.
Don't worry. Wait these earnings.
Apple killing itself, man, on these goddamn earnings. Not that sandbagging them earnings shit don't work no more like it did 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah. That's why the video keep killing it, man. Every time they earnings, they coming out with new shit, man. New shit. Apple, well, we still working on it. We trying to get the environment together with our delivery. Man, nigga ain't trying to hear that shit, man. The market ain't trying to hear that, man. And I say, Apple man, what are you doing for now, man? Y'all done had the same goddamn iPhone since
Yep.
the beginning.
Them goggles ain't hit yet like they wanted to.
Hell no, man.
That's
They can't hit shit at 5,000. Shit. That's
you
why.
know they better come up with some shit to make that 5,000 worth it.
That's why. Facebook glasses is hit because a couple $100, man.
Man, if Apple get with trading view and say, hey, look, we know you got them traders out there, man. Let's go and make this thing real user friendly for traders. Man, we'll all be right here with them shits on.
Trading live with the glasses on.
Well, you know how much dust them screens have on in there.
Right.
I want to be like Minority Report. I want to just run my hand out in the air and turn and
Right.
move charts and just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm looking at AMD in 3D.
Right. Like I've been I've been using S&Ts on at opening to tag NQ for the last all week last week. Because we know that the market open at 9:30. We know that we should get a run. Whichever side get ran, man, it's been beautiful this week. Let me go to Quisha.
You see how she's slowing up?
Yeah, it's getting smaller and
She's
smaller.
slowing up, waiting on why?
You got a weekly gap? No.
No.
Mm-mm. It's bullish. Bullish. Like you say, the candle's getting smaller and smaller.
Right.
And the ranges
Water.
too.
She's like running in place.
Right. I know Miss Debbie was talking like you got like less than 200 points of movement each day. See, and like when you get to all-time high, you gotta generate liquidity. Mm.
Yeah. Whenever it do come down, it slide through up. Boy.
Slide, man. It's gonna slide all the way down
Yep.
here.
Yep.
Yeah. And it can do that in one candle. Shit.
Yep. Sure can. 1,000 points. Yeah, we've seen them in a day. Easy.
See, I started to really believe the market was rigged when it's like they don't mind the market moving 1,000 points in a day up, but they cap it how much they can sell off this thing. That's why I always say like the market is engineered to go up. They
Yep.
they let this thing slide, but only so much. But when it rises back up, it can go as fast as it wants. We're bullish. And like it's probably hard even catching a TFA to the downside like this too. No gap.
That,
Like
that would have been a good day. But that one, this one right here. It went past that liquidity. You just would have had to wait for it to flip.
Friday was a good day when I caught this. This right here.
Yeah, that too.
And I had to go to 30 to catch it because I'm looking for a gap. I got my gap. That was my entry Friday. Especially when I was always got it like this.
I tell you evolving, man. Next thing you know, you're gonna be on the 1 second chart.
Nah. Always have it like this. And always looking at 930. 930 should run some Whichever one is going to run the liquidity, the other one isn't going to do. So I was looking at this SMT down here. I was looking even before market open. What time was that? 4:15. Yep. When I saw that, man, game over. ES made a higher low, and Q made a lower low. Oh, it's game time.
So you waiting for the 15-minute to print a swing low or a swing high?
Great question.
Huh?
No.
You do that, it's too late.
Well, that
No. If you do that, then you have a bigger move. It's just be higher up. I just look at like what it ran. Like when it ran it here at 9:38, and then it gave me this.
Right.
I was in there.
but that's 30 minutes, ain't it?
No, that's
Yep.
1 minute.
That's 1 minute.
Oh, that's the one. Oh, sorry. ES is on the 15. Okay.
So by the time that next 15-minute candle close, hell, you up here somewhere.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I've been hitting that all week and 9:30 all week because 9:30 is gonna run one way or another, and then I look for which one it does. Like this was Friday. I can go back all week and look at it.
Yeah, can you show another one?
Oh shit! Actually, the whole week. I done put them all in my Discord all week hitting these bad boys. Dun, 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 dun. Also, another one is when we have 8:30 news. That's another one.
You got one up there.
Mm-hmm. You see that killer? This was that you've been there early.
Right, but what I'm saying is that's on the 15 minutes. So at what
Oh, I showed it to you.
I'm trying to understand how you're timing.
Oh, you talking about as it's printing?
Yeah, but yeah. So I'm like, okay,
You're
like
just watching it. You got to have the 1 and the 15 up. Like you got to have them up simultaneously.
Mm-hmm.
And really, you want to have the 1 and the 15 and both indices. So that's 4 charts.
Yep. This is where I hit it. And all
You'll notice.
I'm waiting for is bullish.
Right.
Right
Because
here.
you'll notice it. Yeah. See, you'll notice it. That one gonna make a break for it.
What time is that?
9:16.
16.
So okay. Okay.
You see it, killer?
Yeah, I wanted to know if it was a macro time. Because the other thing I go back and forth with myself about is when I enter just off a gap, but I'm definitely going to do it when it, gives it to me twice on the right side
I got you.
versus when I just say that a gap like that is enough.
And like for me, NQ made that lower low. That means he got more to run, and then he gave you this.
Not only that's gap, that's also official market structure shift too.
Well, I guess NQ gave it to you. It gave you another gap right after.
You gap here, and it gave you two gaps.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Just didn't bother that first one. And when you got a lower low, the reason why it ain't coming back down now is because of that B word.
That bullshit. We always try.
Call it what you want, but whoever played that bullshit off of this, he ain't take no smoke.
Oof.
But you gotta have a lower low.
It's a hell of a
Right.
move. That's a hell of a move, man. That's a hell of a move. That's a hell of a move. And then when they get the SMT up here at the top,
Yeah. Because just made a high, low, higher, high. And Q didn't.
this no, this is the same. It's the same. Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
same.
but CES went one more time and made another high.
Right, right.
And they didn't. They didn't right here.
Oop. Right.
Drop them draws.
Yeah. Right here. I only go one direction. Tuesday.
Ain't Jermaine sure to listen to Beethoven? Or
Oh,
something? Classical music or something. Oh, I'm talking to myself, my bad.
your son how old? E?
8. It'll be 9 in September. And his sister's birthday today.
I thought he was going to Florida with grandma.
And he did. They just dropped his ass off.
uh,
They just left. Maybe like 5 minutes before I got on.
I got you. Ain't getting that Tuesday. Go Wednesday. Hey, Kelly, you see that?
Hold on. Oh. Okay, show me the one. Hmm. So you got in what 10-8, 19 or something?
Right.
Right, yeah. And then you held it through that little pullback?
It'll be the first time in history.
Hell no, man. Mm. 6 minutes coming back on me?
Ain't no gas to the left.
6 minutes of red candles, that's not gonna do my heart no good.
See, and this one had more to run too, because it made Laura low. And this one, and then look at that. You only had to hold it to about noon.
What time is that second entry over there? No. Yeah.
I got
Yeah.
you. 10:45. You want the second entry?
I love when it gives me a second entry.
Okay, so Killer, if you'd have got in here, would you have added the second entry?
I wouldn't have made it through them 6 minutes, I'm gonna tell you now.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Also, I'd have been looking at the range too on this. It's about 50%. Oof.
Mm-hmm.
That's money right there. In the gap.
But how many points is that up to that right? Yeah. I mean, that was about $500, I guess, one contract, but
500 to come back. And it
mm-mm.
hit and it said killer, 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 killer.
Mm-mm. No, all them, I'm talking about them red candles when it came down after it hit that gap. I wasn't gonna make it.
Oh shit! Oh, he's not there. Oh, damn. Is that you're like, man, I should just took my money at the first short term high it took.
Mm-hmm. Now, when they did it again, I would like that because I'm like, okay, you done cleared that up. Now I believe more in it going up because it's no gaps to the left.
Right.
Come on, killer. That's the shift.
Listen,
Yeah.
I'm working on stuff now, but
You need that retrace. You got to know that it ain't finna come there, man. It ain't coming there.
Hey, here, let's say anything.
It ain't coming there.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you, I'm not gonna see 5-6 minutes of red candles back to back.
Just bag up, man. Bag up. Go to 3 minutes. Go. You won't see with 2 red come.
Go,
If you don't want 6 red ones, go to the high
I'm
time
gonna
frame.
go from having $500-$700 to $20
no,
and
to
take. Hmm.
negative.
What?
Yeah, your entry is right here.
You in the red.
Oh
You
shit!
red.
See, that right. That's even worse.
You gotta let it do its job.
I did when it got to that gap.
Man. Okay. So let's say,
Now that
okay, so where
10:45.
you getting at? Okay, let's say it did go up here, then it start giving you the red counter. What you getting at? Which counter put you at?
Say it again.
Because I say you up here now. We're here. All right. We're here.
Yeah.
You came in here.
Yep.
What candle making you get out?
That one.
That gap.
Right.
What gap?
The gap to the left.
Right here.
This?
Nope.
Oh no. She out right here.
Right
E.
there. That's
She ain't, she ain't getting to this candle. She not getting to that candle.
I don't like that because see, sometimes I'd be like, when I don't like that. If the gap is there, I sometimes just be like, Lauren, just go A to B, because if she start doing what she did, my head get bad and I'm not gonna be no.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand it. You know,
Hold
and
up,
then
hold
so
up,
let's
Oh.
and
hold
then
up, hold
go
up.
ahead.
Zoom out. Zoom out, boy. Zoom out, boy. Go, go. Zoom out, boy. Nah. Go to a higher time frame.
About to get reprimanded.
Okay, 2 minutes.
Nah, go
Like the
to a
5 or
5 minute.
3.
5 minutes.
Okay, go 5 minutes.
Come on now. It gotta go to the high that it fell from.
Yep.
That's
Hey.
what I was saying.
But you see that gap on the 5 minute?
Nope, it's not even there.
Where? What gap on the 5 minute?
Ain't no gap.
It is there.
No, it's not.
It's tiny.
That
You
little
talking about this? You
splicket,
must
that
just
little
slip right
swivel,
up.
It's a little ass gap, but it's a gap, not just the same.
that little splicket.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. If I was looking at the 5 minutes, just saw that black candle, boy.
Right.
But you
But
gotta
you see
know,
it going into a gap.
yeah, right there too.
That's your second entry.
Well, see, the point is, how am I gonna get to there?
Right.
When you enter, if you gonna use a 1 minute chart, flip to a higher time frame.
Yeah, get off of it. So don't fake yourself out.
Yeah, you just gotta know that.
That's what. Hey, tell her that one day, man, you was doing TFA. I had to get the hell off the 1 minute, man.
I know. I was.
Yeah,
Like, man, I gotta
it'll
get off the
punk
1
you.
minute, boy.
When I'm on, I'm on.
Yeah, it'll punk you sometimes.
But that 5 minute, looking at that 5 minute candle, I would be so mad.
But the thing is, when you see this, that's the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But I'm saying I got to give myself another damn 10, 15.
Understand? You see the Wu-Tang.
Hey,
Look up and to the left.
Hey, yo, E, breaking news, man.
What that?
Trump says he has a tariff deal with the European Union, avoiding a trade war.
Boy,
Oh
it's
man,
on.
they about
Change
to,
for the run this shit.
they about to run Asian session, man. They about to run this bitch, man. They about to run this bitch. Hey, it could be to come out on the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays.
So they run it on up, and then by opening, you need to retrace. So that's where you left. You get all your left from, because they're gonna have to come back down.
Uh-huh.
But
They go.
know how to sell that damn thing down.
That man using tariffs like a nuclear weapon.
Man, that man using terror like you know his damn algorithm. I know how to send it up down.
So y'all telling me to get in on the 1 and zoom at least to the 5 to try to keep.
Yeah, so you can see
You
where
believe you at the bottom.
so you can see where the real
The true
draw,
target is.
where the target is. Yeah.
Hey, yeah, Anthony. But the problem is the money is going. It's showing her the money right there.
Get off the
That's
money.
the problem.
Get off the money. Just do points.
Just look at the target. It ain't gonna be the first time in history.
Right.
I know, but Anthony, I be
No,
making.
you hold it to them.
You said you be making what? You be making history? Hey man. Hey man, I don't know what to say about that.
He gonna say turn to ticks. She gonna be counting the bitches too. You gonna calculate out.
You doing the math on that shit.
Doing the math on that bitch.
Every 20 ticks, $100.
Uh-huh.
I see
But
80.
then,
That's $400. Hell no.
but then you go back to the 1 minute entry. So then, how much you putting on to go to that quick little target?
Well, then that's where
Hey, hey. You gotta make it work for you then.
you're right.
Oh, so you loading the boat. That's why you getting out so early.
Hey, Killer ain't got no problem putting on some leverage. If it's a 50K, you can put all of it on there.
I'm doing better though. I've grown a lot. I'm doing.
You definitely going in this 5 minute that swing up there. You going here for sure. You damn sure ain't gonna stomach this.
Yeah.
I would be 1000% honest with y'all. She might be gone right here.
That's what I told him.
That's what she just said. That's the same spot we just talked about.
Yeah. Hey, but I'm looking at that. Hey, this come back down. Her ass might be gone here. She might be gone here. Let it start moving.
But and see, this is me being honest. By then, even if I held it, now I'm pissed off because I done waited a whole nother 20 minutes just to get the fuck back to the money I had 20 minutes ago.
Right? He pissed off. I done waited out then the 20 minutes to get my money back. I could have been gone. Okay, did something else. Fuck this shit. Okay. Hey.
I'm gonna work on it.
That's that new baby's the hormones is raising when she in them trades.
It ain't gonna be the 9th time in history, Killer. Since you be creating histories.
Hey, she traded the same way when she had her son. The same thing. Don't know change. Yeah, I'm loving these SMTs when I give it to her. That was Monday, Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. And we got to start Friday. Let's go Wednesday, Thursday. Kelly, you see that?
Yeah.
Only thing I look at is this entry right here. You'd have to. IVG, but
Mm.
20 for 40.
Excuse me.
The two.
What if you drop lower?
Yeah, so I went down time frame. Or two.
Then you see it up here. Look at this. No, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. What's Lord in a minute? 30 seconds. Laura Killer?
What the 15 look like?
Yeah.
So pretty much so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Laura Keller?
No.
What the file looking like?
10 seconds.
5.
10.
They ain't come back.
Come back.
What the file look like though? It came in though, but that's pretty much the same as the other.
When the 1 minute when it made that big candle, black candle, when the next one started looking like it's just gonna take it right back, then I start dropping down.
I got you. So that was a 4 out of 5 days, Killer. Looking at it at 9:30. I was going over that Friday with the teams on Zone. We're watching that, especially, and we're looking at now because the way this market is revving is not coming back at all. Like, and it's not making no gaps. It's not doing nothing. That's why I say I would love for us to have a huge down day. That way I can get some gaps down below hit. Any questions before we get out of here? What news got tomorrow? No news tomorrow. Tuesday, Jolts. Wednesday, FOMC. Thursday, and Friday. No questions? Yeah, I like to see.
Thank you.